Hi friends, we are making a very simple and sweet dish which is called Gur Pare, and you can call it Gur Pare as well. It's very easy to make. You need only 5 ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, any salt you can use, the Himalaya salt and the white salt. I am using the Himalaya salt, and oil. You can use any oil or ghee. I am using the olive oil. First we have to mix a little bit of salt and half tablespoon of baking powder. And so after mixing baking powder and the salt, we can use the olive oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil, you can use ghee, and the measurement of oil is 1/4 of your all-purpose flour. So we have to mix the olive oil in this. So I'm mixing my oil in my all-purpose flour, baking powder and the salt mixture. We have to mix it properly. When the mixture is forms like a ball, then it's ready to mix a warm water. You can mix the warm water little by little. So you have to mix the water little by little. Don't make a very soft and a very hard dough. Make a dough like a roti dough. Don't over mix your dough. It must be in layers, like see, it must be in layers. And you have to cover your dough for the 20 minutes, and then we will check our dough it's ready or not. So after 20 minutes I have to mix my dough one more time and squish it around. If you want to check your dough it's ready or not, if I press my finger into the dough, it will rise up. That's mean your dough is ready. Now I have to make 4 balls from my dough. And now I need the rolling pin, and so now I put some oil in my rolling pin and make a roti, a little bit thick roti. So I flatten my dough. It's like a roti, and but little bit thicker than the roti. Now I'll cut. If you want any other shape, you can make that shape, but I like it. And you can make the bigger size and the small size pare. I like the medium one, and you can smooth it out with your hand like this. So now my pares are ready to fry. I have to check my oil it's ready or not. I'll drop a ball from my dough. So it's coming out slowly, that's mean, and it's making a bubble, that's mean my oil is ready. So I'll drop my pare one by one. And you have to keep your flame into low medium, and you have to wait your pare until it become golden brown. So this is my jaggery for the pare. This is half kg jaggery. I'll pour 3 tablespoons of water in my jaggery to melt. So after 5 minutes I'll check my jaggery is melt. it must be like 2 or 3 string syrup. I'll wait for like 5 minutes and I'll have to check. I'll have to keep checking my syrup. So right now it's like this form. And my flame is in on low medium. So now I have to check my syrup if it's ready or not. I'll take a little bit syrup in between my 2 fingers. It's making three string. That's mean my syrup is ready. Now I have to pour my pare into this in my syrup. So now I have to pour my pare into my syrup, and don't switch off your gas. You have to put your gas into a low flame. So now I have to pour my pare into my syrup. So my stove is on a low flame, and you have to keep mixing it. You have to keep mixing it up, otherwise it will stick together, and after 5 minutes it will be dried up. After 5 minutes my gur pare are dried up and ready to eat. It tastes as good as it looks. If you love my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.